Today we are going to learn about 8th class English medium Algebraic Expressions teaching period 1 presented by Ravinder Alluri, Janagam district. Now before going to our first period start, now we know about prerequisites. Now find the sum of 14 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 26. Find the sum of 10 plus minus 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Find the sum of 15 plus minus 15 is 0. What is the product of 6 and 9? 54. What is the product of 10 and 0? Is 0. And observe the following pattern. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. Then find the value of 4 pence. In given, cost of 1 pen is equals to rupees 5. The cost of 4 pence is equals to rupees 5 into number of pence. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 5 and number of pence is 4. So that's why we will get the cost of 4 pence is 20 rupees. Now the cost of 6 pence is what? Now the cost of 1 pen into number of pence. Here we will get 30 rupees. The cost of 10 pence is rupees 5 into number of pence is 10. So that's why we will get 50 rupees. The cost of 15 pence is equals to rupees 5 into 15, 75 rupees. The cost of 50 pence is equals to rupees 5 rupees into 50 is equals to 250 rupees. And so on and so on. Here the cost of expense what? The cost of expense. So the cost of 1 pen is rupees 5 and number of pens is x. That's why rupees 5 into x is equals to, we will get 5x. Now here 5x is here. Now x is a variable and 5 is a coefficient of x. Now if the cost of one notebook is rupees 12, then what cost of y notebooks? The cost of y notebooks is equals to the cost of 1 pen is 12 rupees. Number of notebooks is y. That's why 12y. Now x, y, z are variables, and 1, 4, 19, 7, minus 3, 2 by 5, 3.2, 108, and so on and so on. These are called constants. Now x, and here y, and next z. Here 1 and 19. So minus 3. 7x. 7 is a constant and x is a variable. So 7x. And next 2 by 5x. 2 by 5 is a constant and x is a variable. Now xy, two variables. Minus 10x cube. Minus 10 is a constant term. It is a coefficient of x cube and x cube is x is a variable. Now here 4x square, x is something. Now these are formed with constant and one or more variables. Now these are all are formed with constant and one or more variables. Now the term, what is the definition of term? Here a single variable or constant or product of variable and constant is known as term. Okay. Now single variable also called a term and constant also called a term. Product of variable and constant also called a term. Now product of two or more variables or constants also called term. Now the term is a single variable, a constant or product of variable and constant, and product of two or more variables or constants. These are called a term. Now Study the following terms. Now x, y, z, 1, 19 minus 3, 7x, 2 by 5x, xy, so on and so on. Here, algebraic term. So what is the algebraic term? Here, a single variable or the product of constant and variable is called algebraic term. Now here 7x here is formed by 7 and x. It means product of constant and variable. So this is called a algebraic term. And next 4p. 4 is a constant term and p is a variable. So product of these two terms into we will call the algebraic term, and x product of two variables also called a algebraic term. And a numerical term. So what is the definition of numerical term? All constants are called numerical terms. Here all constants, all numbers are called numerical terms. Now activity number 1 by the students. Okay, how to do here? Now identify the algebraic terms and numerical terms of the following. Now here 9x, 5y, 21 minus 7 and so on and so on. These are terms are given. Now algebraic terms. What are the algebraic terms here? Numerical terms are there. What? Now first of all, identify first number 1, 9x. 9x is a algebraic term. Why? Because the 9x formed by constant and variable. That's why it's called a algebraic term. And 5y also algebraic term. It's formed constant and variable. And next 21. Next 21 is a numerical term. Here is no variable. That's why it's a numerical term. And minus 7 is does not has a variable. That's why it's a constant term. And next x square is a algebraic term. And 10x cube, it's also algebraic term. And minus 17 y to the power 4 algebraic term. And x is a algebraic term. And 2 by 5 what? Algebraic term or numerical term? Yeah, identified. So here is no variable. So that's why it's only numbers formed by numbers, integers. So that's why it's a constant. Now 2 by 5 is a numerical term. And 9xy is an algebraic term. And 10 is a numerical term. And 6x square numerical term. Algebraic term. And y by 3 is also algebraic term. Now here, now these are terms. Now number 1, 9x plus 5y. These are two terms. Two are algebraic terms. And x minus 9xy. These are also two terms. And here x square is a single term. Now in the second case, 21 minus 7 plus 10. And here is a fourth one. In case example number 1, here fourth one is a x square minus 21 plus 10x cube. And here in second example, in second is 15 plus 37 minus 190. Now here what do you observe? Now in first example here, in first example or second example here, terms are connected by the symbols. All terms. Plus in first example plus minus, here is plus minus plus, and in second example plus minus plus is there. So the terms are connected by the symbols plus or minus. So what we call them here? Now a single term or two or more terms which are connected by the symbols plus or minus is known as an expression. Now here, how many types of expressions are there in given examples? Now in first example, number 1 and number 2, number 3, number 4 are called algebraic expressions. First of all, what is the definition of algebraic expression? Now these are in example number 1 here. In these four examples have at least one algebraic term. That's why the definition of algebraic expression is, now here the algebraic expression, and expression has at least one algebraic term is called algebraic expression. Now in second example, 1, 2 here given, Now here 1, 2 are called numerical expressions. Okay, what? Numerical expression, what is the definition of a numerical expression? Now a numerical expression, an expression or contains uh, all constant terms are called a numerical expression. Now here, now degree of monomial. Here 10y cube, exponent of y is 3. That's why degree of 10y cube is 3. Now here example number 2, 7x. What is the degree of this one? Is monomials. Now here monomials means single term. Now here 7x we can express as a 7x to the power of 1. The exponent of y, sorry, x is a 1. That's why the degree of 7x is equals to 1. And next one, example number 3, 9x square y cube. In this example, two variables are there, exponents are different. So how to find the degree of this monomial? Now here exponent of x is 2 and exponent of y is 3. Now the degree of 9x square y cube is 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So that's why the degree of 9x square y cube is 5. And the fourth example is 5xy square. Now in this example, we express like this here in given term. Here 5x power 1 y square. Now how many variables are there here? Two variables. What are they? X and y. So now here exponent of x is 1 and exponent of y is 2. That's why the degree of 5x y square is 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So this is a degree of 5x y square. And here now what we conclude the degree of monomial, the sum of all exponents of the all variables of numerical is called the sum of all exponents of the variables of monomial is called the degree of the monomial. Now degree of 8x square. So is the how to find the degree of the constant terms here. Now example here, first number 1, degree of 8x square is 2 and the degree of 8x is 1 and degree of 8 what? Now here 8 expressed as 8 into 1. Yes, okay. Now 8 ones are 8. We will also get a same term 8. Now here 1 is expressed as x to the power of 0. What we know already the formula 8 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So that's why exponent of x is 0. Now here degree of 8 is 0. Now similarly, now degree of all constants we will get a 0. And here degree of an algebraic expression. In this expression we have 3 terms. Already we learned about how to find the degree of monomial. In this case algebraic expression, in this algebraic expression we have 3 terms. First of all we find the degree of first term is x. So now degree of first term and that is x is 1 and the degree of 9x second term is 2 and degree of minus 5 is 0. Now which is the which degree is the highest here? 2 is highest degree. That's why degree of x plus 9xy minus 5 is 2. And next 4x minus 10. Similarly, now we find the degree of 4x minus 10 is 1. And highest degree of the term among all the terms of an algebraic expression is called the degree of an algebraic expression. Now here next like term and unlike terms what? Now here 9y square and 15y square. Here observe variable in first term is y and variable in second term is y and exponent of y in first term is 2 and exponent of y in second term also 2. So here what we call these type of terms. Now the terms contain the same variable with the same exponents is called like terms, otherwise unlike terms. Now see one other example here, xy square and 6xy square. Variable in first term xy and variable in second term xy. Degree of first term is 3 and the degree of second term is 3. Now then the terms contain same variable, same exponents. Here same exponents means x is 1 and y is 2 variable exponents. That's why we will get a degree, same degree. So that's why I also called a same exponents. Now here xy square and 6xy square are called like terms. Here can you give one example of like terms to 6x square? Now 10x squared is the same variable, x exponent is same, so it is a like term to 6x square. Now 6x square also like term, and 2 by 5x square. Now here types of expressions. Here activity number 1. Now first number 1, x plus 9xy and x plus x square, and third one is 4x minus 10. And here in these three cases, in first case x, in first problem x is a term and 9xy is a term. These are no same variable and same exponents. That's why these are in first case these are not like terms. That's why these are two unlike terms. In second case variable same but exponent is different, so that's why these are called unlike terms. In third case 4x minus 10, and 4x is a algebraic term and 10 is a numerical term. These are unlike terms, no variable same and no exponents are same. So that's why this type of expressions is called binomial, two unlike terms. Here two unlike terms, binomial. It means what we conclude binomial by definition. Here an expression as two unlike terms is called a binomial. And next in second one, now x plus 9xy minus 5, these are three terms and three terms are unlike terms. In second case also x minus x square minus x cube, these are also unlike terms. And in third case 4x minus 10 and plus xyz, these are also unlike terms. Now in these three cases also we have three unlike terms. Now which expression as three unlike terms is called trinomial. And next 9xy and x cube, and third one is 4x. So here single terms algebraic terms. So these are single term is called a monomial. So now here multinomial. What is the definition of multinomial? X plus 9xy is in first case two terms, in second case three terms, and third case three terms, and in fourth case we have how many terms? 1 2 3 4 and 4 terms. Here fifth one is a one term single. Now in general an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficients is called multinomial. These are all are multinomials. Okay, now in by specific name is a binomial, trinomial, monomial, but every monomial, binomial or trinomial also called multinomials. Okay, now activity number 3. Here now if x is equals to minus 4, then value of 9x is equals to what? Answer 9x is equals to what? 9 is a 9 and what x minus 4. Now 9 fours of 36, but minus is there, plus of minus minus, so that's why we will get a minus 36. Now if x is equals to 2, then value of 10x cube. So 10x cube, what x cube, what x 2. So instead of x we substitute value 2. Okay, 10 of 2 cube. What is the value of 2 cube? Is 8. What is the value for 2 cube? Is 8. So that's why now 10 into 8. Now here totally we will get 80. And for third case, x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 2, then value of 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equals to 2 of x. X is what given here? 1. That's why 2 of 1 plus 3y. 3y means y. So substitute minus 2 instead of y. So here 2 of 1 plus 3 of y. 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Here 2 plus minus 6 we will get a minus 4. Now today we will start a new chapter, algebraic expressions. In the chapter we will learn about the following concepts. What are the concepts? The concept map is algebraic expressions. Now addition, subtraction, and next multiplication and identities. Now in addition, subtraction, we will get we will define the like terms and like terms of the subtraction. Additions we will learn. And next in multiplication, okay, by monomial and binomial by monomial, and next trinomial by monomial, and next multinomial by monomial, and next binomial by binomial, and next trinomial by binomial. Now identities we will learn in this class, in the chapter. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and x plus a of x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So now summary, in this class we will learn today we have learned here now variables, algebraic terms, and numerical terms, constants, and next exponents, degree, and coefficients, and next expression, and next value of expression, and next like terms, unlike terms. Okay, now thank you for watching.